welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got some exciting stuff today.
I know it's been a while since we posted anything, but you know, life happens, and
actually we've been looking for a parts car.
Yeah, I needed more parts for the Pontiac, and we found a donor that's got some stuff that we can use, so we're gonna go get it.
It's a 71 Cutlass, so we'll show you as we're picking it up. Here's the old turd, this old 4-door here. Of course, it's definitely going to do a will it start. This car has been off the road for 30 plus years. It's got a lot of good parts though. And we've the guy that owns it has another one, and he wants some of the parts back for it, which is not a problem because some of the parts will not work.
I don't need anyways.
Yeah, we can't use them on the old Lemans, so she's 100% complete though. She is unmolested.
Well, I mean, from the human standpoint, as you can see, the rats have had their
well, you know what I mean, though.
Time with it.
Yeah, she has no wires or anything like that, but hey, it happens, so.
We expect it.
Exactly.
Ooh, that door don't open all the way. It's touching fender.
Yeah, let's
not mess that fender up.
Yeah, I'd prefer not to. Actually, we need the window down to steer it. So, there's a quick little walk around of it. We'll show you more here in just a few.
Stay tuned. We're back. We got the Lemans into the shop. We took some parts off the Cutlass that we showed you earlier in the video. Now we finally have a steering pitman arm, so we can actually use the steering wheel to steer her in here. And we got her to fire up. And she moves under her own power, forward and backwards. So we're gonna see if we can get her to back out of the shop.
No brakes though.
No brakes. Haven't got that far yet.
That's where Brian comes in.
Brakes aren't a necessity. I mean, as long as she goes, as long as you don't hit nothing, you're good.
Brian's got this.
We did a little bit of work, so steady wins the race. She's coming along. I know it's been a long time since we actually posted, but
it's got some wiring problems that we're trying to sort out. And that's where the Cutlass is also going to come in handy. Getting a bunch of the wiring. I mean, this car sat for, we don't know how long without a windshield.
Decades, probably.
And floorboards are definitely going to have to be worked on massively.
Still needs a lot more love, but we think she's going to be pretty cool. That even turns off with the key.
We just got some ghetto like fuel line and stuff like that on it.
Yeah, she's running from a fuel jug here. I mean, we're not sure about how well the stock fuel tank is. It could be full of rust. Haven't got that far yet. But
no.
This will make it so it drives in and out, and we can continue to further this project.
So here in a minute, you get to watch me try to back this out of the shop.
Without
Yay!
With no brakes.
Not even an e-brake.
Not even e-brake. All right, guys. I'm gonna fire this.
Don't yank on that blue wire too hard.
Fire this bad boy up here. still good. And she backs out of the shop on her own. No power steering now. Oh, that's a beautiful sight.